Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite for your Android phone. So first, open your browser, your Google Chrome or any browser you have, and go to Fortnite for mobile.com. So this is the website. I don't know why it's not focusing properly. So Fortnite4mobile.com. So go to this page. And you'll see this link. So if you have iPhone or any other device, click on Fortnite for iOS. So this is Android, so click on Fortnite for Android. Okay. So click on download. So it's downloading now. It's gonna take some time. So it's completed. So click on this link. Go to settings. You have to allow downloading from unknown resource because you didn't download it from App Store. Click OK, install. So the Fortnite mobile is installing right now on your phone. So this is, you can download it right now. You can get this now. So click open. So yeah, that's loading. So this is it guys, this is the game, and you have to complete one more verification process after this in order to play, and it's not very hard, it's very easy. So it's downloading right now. Oh yeah, it's loading now. Okay, so it's completed loading. So after this, you'll have to complete one small verification. I don't like the verification, but it's what it is. So just complete the verification guys, and you'll be able to play the game. The verification is one time, so if you verify one time, that's all. So you have to download some app or something like that to play the game. So yeah, so install, here's the instruction how to complete the verification. Install, open and attack level 2 monster to unlock this content. You can try this Apple Music and sign up free trial to unlock the content. Here it's written how to complete it guys. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye bye.
Wait, are you? Wait, what just happened?
Nee, ga er naar beneden. Ik vang je op, ik vang je op.
There's a llama here.
5.
Oh, llama. 2! There's 2 llamas!
No way, where? Where's the second one? Oh, what's the second?
They're right here.
What's going on? What's going on?
I'm dead. I guess that counted the explosion, right? Hey, can we try the explosion next after this?